Fox 8 is down, Fox 4 is down. Respond, Fox 3.
Is that a monkey?
What the hell is that? Somebody talk to me, man. Turn right heading 2-5. Contact
Fox leader to Fox group. On the perimeter. Ready gun in position. Fox leader to Fox group. Fire and kill!
What the hell is that? I don't know!
Pull out now, pull out!
I don't take orders from you!
Get us the hell out of here!
5-6, we got nominal control. We are going down.
Fox 5, this is Fox leader. Fox 9 is down. 1 click north of Riverbend. Insert recovery team. Over.
Fox 5 is hovering! We got men going out the door!
I need help here.
Oh, shit!
Kill this son of a bitch. Brace for impact!
Run to the side, you idiot! Hang on!
Watch out!
Prepare to crash! Crash!
Fox leader is down!
Fox 5 inbound for pickup! We have him in sight! Hold tight, Colonel Packard, we are on our way!
Hang on, Briggs, I'm coming.
We're going down! I repeat, we are going down! Listen, I want you to tell me something right now. Do you love your mama?
I love her!
How much do you love your
I
mama?
love my mother so much!